Dollar General, ticker DG, is down 17% today off their earnings release. And again, you're going to see some sympathy move over on Dollar Tree General if you have also been paying attention to that stock. But what are the key levels we want to be paying attention to on Dollar General? So as of right now, again, we've had this earnings move. We've now created obviously a big gap in that location. And we've traded down to around $130. What is at $131? That's our first deviation on the 6 month, so can be used as a support. But normally on the day of earnings, I don't like to trade the levels. We'll be waiting until at least Friday to start entering off technical levels of a fundamental release. But overall, though, we do have a support at 131. So again, if we're kind of seeing it hold this level coming into tomorrow, could definitely be looking at long bias, and our target would always be that gap fill at 157.60. But to cover more supports if we do continue to push down, which again can be very likely off a negative earnings release, we have a 116 and $98.50 support. Again, the 116 I think would be quite nice. We could see a move coming into here Friday or coming into next week. These could definitely be some nice longs. And again, depending how you start seeing Dollar Tree hold up as well, you might be able to see if there's strength in Dollar Tree. You'll probably see a bit of strength come into Dollar General as well. So again, be watching Dollar Tree General. That's going to be ticker DLTR. That could be the leading indicator depending on how DG moves. So again, 116 support, 98.50, and if we had an extreme move, we also have another support at $85.50. So again, those are the kind of three supports we're paying attention to, and this 131, which depending on where we move, that could be a support or resistance as we continue to move. Now, to cover the resistances, what are targets and all of those? So again, obviously we have the gap fill at 157.60. It's definitely a resistance I would be paying attention to if we are taking any longs from here or the kind of that 131 or below. That would be definitely a nice area to be taken in profits. But if we did break that and we want to hold it further, we're then looking at a $180 resistance, which would be our first deviation on the 6 month. But not only that, it kind of takes us into this gap fill location. Again, the actual gap is closer to around 205 or kind of 202. But again, as you start coming into this area, that could definitely start seeing some selling pressure. So that 180 lines up quite nice with that area that was created on their previous earnings. So again, we need to see more how this reacts on this earnings release. Again, supports 116, 98, and 85. Resistance is 157, 180. And again, just watching how we react around this 131, whether that turns into a key support or resistance.